Almost done. Old concrete floor right under. The quicker I finish this, the sooner I'm out of this spot. There we go, that's perfect. So that's what we did. There's this also. So I gotta crawl out of here. We're right under this tight space. Absolutely no room. That's what I did. Where is it? Right here. And the brake handle goes all the way back into there. We're getting another switch is coming today. So power these lights. These already work, but I just need to switch. And that's pretty much it for the brakes. Brakes are done. Just install the switch, and I'm planning to drive this today and then get rid of it. And yeah, that's it.